Hello, welcome to Draz University, Hub for E-commerce education. In this video, we will learn about order management and fulfillment. Log in to Seller Center with your registered ID and password. You can view your pending orders from your dashboard. To process this order, go to the Orders tab and click on Manage Orders. Here, you can see the different statuses of your order. However, you will arrive at the Pending Order tab, which is selected by the default. By clicking on plus sign, you can see the additional information regarding the order and the customer who placed it. Now click Ready to Ship. You see the order number, items, provider, tracking ID and invoice number. To add the invoice number, go to your shop's name, click on Profile. Now, click on Invoice Number. You will see three options. Select any one option to generate the invoice number. However, the best practice is to use order number. Once selected, click on Save. Your invoice number is now generated. Click OK. You can now proceed and process your order. Go back to the same dialog box. You will see an invoice number. Now, click on Save Invoice ID. Click on All Documents for printable material that is required for order packaging and delivery. This is your pick list, which you may use as a receiving. This is shipping label, which you need to attach on the outside of the package. This is your customer invoice, which you need to place inside the package. Check all documents to ensure everything is correct. Now click Print. And then click on Done, which will take you back to the same dialog box. The documents have been printed. Now click on Ready to Ship. Click on Close. As soon as you RTS an order on Seller Center, make sure to properly pack it in the packaging material you receive from Draz. You may use bubble wrap, shrink wrap, cardboard size, brown sheet, Draz flyers or carton to pick your items depending on the category they belong to. Follow our packaging guidelines accurately in order to avoid return from the customers on the basis of packaging opened, tampered, and or damaged. Upon clicking Ready to Ship and securely packing the item in Draz packaging material with invoice and shipment label accurately placed, you will make your first order ready for delivery to the customer. You can now drop off the item at the nearest hub. You may keep a track of your order statuses from Ready to Ship, Shipped and Completed tabs. Tips to remember: frequently check your orders on Seller Center, or download our Seller Center app to receive immediate order notifications. Efficiently RTS your orders to avoid delays, cancellations, and poor performance rating on your shop. Securely package the order in Draz packaging material. Print customer invoice and shipping label and attach them to the package. Thank you.